gotta wash your hands before you do food. And that's why you need adult supervision is mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
And you also should your hand on the camera. Alright. First, we put butter.
You can get a little bit more butter. Kai, get some butter too. That's the cheese.
You need more butter. Get more butter on it. Like me. Yep. Then we put the butter everywhere, so don't miss no space. Start with do for the big part. Right here. Yep. Oh, so soft already, you guys. You gotta learn how to probably was Make sure I talk properly too. Make sure you do crown on me first. Be some big. You did it? Do the crown, do the crown. Well, I'm doing this. Mommy,
Yeah.
do the crown while I'm doing this. Right. And this is what take from hard work. You should get the camera on me. Alright, we're almost done. Am I doing
Remember, you're buttering 5 of them, okay? So butter 5 of them.
5? That's
5, yeah. Okay. Gotta butter 3 more.
3 more? 3 more to butter?
Because you're already buttering 2. 5 minus 2 is 3.
After this, we're going to do the rest of them. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh. Why? You're much too low. Take butter. Don't take your butter. Yeah, butter. Take it.
Butter looks good. Now you're gonna take 3 pieces of cheese and do the cheese ones first. So pick one of the butter, or pick 3 butter ones and put 3 pieces of cheese.
So help me. Do you put the cheese?
Yeah, right there, perfect, Kai. Maybe up a little bit more, like right there. Okay, you can do another cheese. Leave it. That's okay. Leave it. Do another cheese.
So how many would you do?
3.
Oh yeah, same.
So 1 more. Okay. Nope. That's good. Yeah. No, we have an extra one. Okay. Now you're gonna do the cinnamon on 2 of the butter ones. And you can do the cinnamon on all over it.
Can I smell it?
Here.
Smell it?
Okay. Smell cinnamony?
Yep. This smells like candy.
Okay, just sprinkle it all over here. There you go, good. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Okay, Kai, you're gonna do this one. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, but
And you're gonna sprinkle it.
Whoa, we got.
Do this one, just a little bit, okay?
That is so much. Subscribe if you like it because.
No, this one, Kai. Not the one with the cheese.
Because soon we're going to do the rock painting.
Okay, if you want to use your hand to spread it out, you can use your hand to spread it out. Put a little bit more.
After we do the whole thing, we're going to send it to the oven for
11 minutes at 350.
11 minutes.
Okay, good. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna take some of that off. Sorry, that one is gonna have a little bit of cinnamon in that cheese roll up, but that's okay.
Yeah. Oh, this.
Okay. So next, you're gonna take your knives and do the hazelnut spread in the other two. Yep, there's 3 left. Yeah, you're just gonna plop some hazelnut here on the big parts, okay?
So we do the rest.
Yeah. Yeah. You can share the knife, it's okay. You gotta put some more, get a big block. No, get a big block.
Okay, alright. So, no, there were cheese. I don't like cheese.
Here, Kai. Get a big block and do it in the middle. No.
We don't want to make you cry in our YouTube video. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Wait, baby. Alright, so we're going to cut the side inside the Nutella. Now roll it like this. I'm doing good. I got to roll it. I don't know why.
It's okay, Kai. It's okay. Hold on.
Here, did
You're
it.
gonna make a little ball? That's okay, we can make a ball. Just close the ends, that's it.
Oh, man.
We'll see how that one turns out. A nice hazelnut surprise in there. Yep. You're gonna use that one? Okay. So again, you're gonna start at the end and you're just gonna roll it. Okay? Starting on the big side and rolling towards the small end. Yep. Good job. Next, do the cheese one.
Oh,
Nope, the other side. Start with the big side. Hold on. Well, wait, we'll let Creedon go.
Good.
And then here, hold on. Take this side off. Here, roll it down. Look, no. There, roll it that way.
Right here, that's good.
Okay. Next time we'll have to have different trays because the cinnamon is like all over. So some of the cheese might have some cinnamon in it, but that's okay. Might just taste extra good. Roll, yeah, roll, Kai. Roll that cheese in and then pinch the ends.
Good.
Let's see. Good job, Kai. So now look. You see how the ends are open? You don't want the cheese to come out. So you're gonna just pinch the end close, okay? Now here, pinch these ends close. Kai, pinch those ends close. Pinch the ends close. Good job, let's see. Oh, these are supposed to be cheese.
Ha! Now I like it. No, there's three. There's three. There's three of them.
Okay, roll up your Good, let me do so for the cheese one because it's a nice big one. You don't want the cheese to come out. Hold on, Kai. You don't want the cheese to come out. We're gonna do that.
It's in there.
And then make sure the cheese is tucked in so it doesn't come out.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we're gonna put in the oven for 300
Fahrenheit.
All right. We're going to see you later after the food is done.
In 11 minutes.
11 minutes. Hope you like this. So hey guys, we come back. It's done cooking. We let it cool down for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna pick which one we want.
You can cut a piece and give to Azzy. Or you can give her more than that.
Oh, yellow. Now get this.
Is it good? Azzy, is it good? Okay. Which one's that one?
This is the cinnamon one.
Okay. Which one do you have?
This one is
Oh, we didn't close it properly. That's okay. The cheese came out a little bit. That's all good. Okay, how does it taste? I think I'm gonna try Nutella one. Which one do you think is a Nutella one? I think that's cheese. No, I'm not gonna take your bowl one. This one's Nutella? Okay. Okay. Nutella. Yeah. Yummy Nutella. Alright guys, we're gonna enjoy our 15-minute snack and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Azzy, say bye! Bye-bye! Yeah, bye-bye. Kai, say bye!
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.